Hey Twinkl parents, explore the beautiful warming colours of autumn with this seasonal busy bottle. A safe way for your baby or toddler to explore autumn treasures. You will need an empty bottle, water and autumn treasures. The first thing you need to do is wrap up warm and take your baby or toddler on a gorgeous autumn walk, collecting natural treasures such as pine cones or autumn berries that you find. You then need to remove the lid from the plastic bottle and add the varied selection of different treasures that you have found. Then pour water into the bottle, leaving a 1 to 2 centimetre gap at the top so there is plenty of room to shake the contents around. You could even then add tape or hot glue to the top of the lid to seal it. This will then stop your child from opening and tipping the contents out. Your busy bottle is now ready to be played with. Looking for more baby and toddler activities that you can do with your child? Then don't forget to check out the Twinkl website or like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more great content. And I'll see you next time, Twinkl parents.